Hey everybody, we are about to head into Dollar General this week. There are several deals. Actually, I'm really excited because I feel like this week's deals are starting to feel a little bit like what couponing used to feel like before all this inflation. They're not crazy, they're not $0 totals or anything, but it's starting to feel a little more, maybe it's just me, maybe getting back into the game helps, but I'm pretty excited about this week's deals. We've definitely got some cheap gain, which I know you guys are excited for. We also have several other deals, some personal care stuff, some body wash that I think are gonna be really good. So stick around, remember to smash that like button, subscribe. I just looked up on our channel actually, and only 30% of the people who watch my videos actually have subscribed. There's 70% of you out there who are missing out on deals week to week, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button for sure, and let's get into these deals. Okay, we're gonna start with the gain deals right up top because why not? Start by picking up 2 Febreze. We're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 for $6.50, but we do have a $3.30 digital coupon, making those half price roughly. Next, we're gonna pick up 1 of the Gain liquid detergent for $7.50. And we have a $2 digital coupon on that. You're looking for the 46 or 45 loads of liquid detergent. Next, you're gonna pick up 1 package of the Gain Flings. This is the 24 count for $7.50 as well. And we have a $2 digital off of that as well. I'll go over all the coupons at the end of this deal. Also, we're gonna pick up 2 of the Gain dishwashing liquid. These are $2.35 a piece, so $4.70 for both, but we do have a $1 off digital coupon. And last but not least, pick up 1 of the Swiffer wet cloths that's Gain scented. These are $5 and we have a $1 digital coupon off of this. But make sure you have your 5 off of 25 store coupon clipped, that's a digital as well, and your 5 off of 30 Gain coupon. Your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $31.20. And these are all the coupons that you're going to need. We've got the Febreze, we've got the Gain liquid detergent, we've got the Gain Flings, we've got the dishwashing liquid and the Swiffer cloth, plus of course 5 off 25 and 5 off 30. So after all of those coupons come off, you're going to put in your phone number at the register. The cashier is going to swipe all your items, and at the end when they hit total, your out-of-pocket cost after coupons is going to be just $11.90 for all of this Gain detergent, or just $1.70 each, which is really, really good. Now, there is another way that you can do this deal, but it does end up costing you a little bit more out of pocket at the end, but I will go over it for those of you who want to get some more detergent and less of the other stuff. So we will go over that in just a second, but first I wanted to draw your attention to the fact that this week Imagine school supplies are 3 for $1, so that's a really good deal. And we've also got a coupon for $1 off of 4 Crayola products. So if you get, dollar items or even cheaper, then that can be a little bit of savings there. I also saw this $3 off of 15 like stationery and school supply coupon show up in my account this morning. I was gonna save it for the tax-free holiday that is happening in August in Ohio, but I believe this is gonna expire before that. So I'll probably have to do a deal otherwise, but let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see how I use this 3 off of 15 school supply coupon. I've got some ideas percolating. The first couple items of this deal are pretty much the same as the first one. You're going to start by picking up 2 of the Febreze, $6.50 for both, and we've got that $3.30 digital coupon. Also, you're going to pick up 1 of the Gain liquid detergent for $7.50 again, and the Gain 24 count of Flings again as well. And instead of grabbing the dishwashing liquid and the Swiffer wet cloths, you're going to go ahead and grab 1 of the Gain big liquid detergents. I think these are 190 ounces. My store was out of them. I only had the $15 ones, but if you can find one at your store for $12.95 like this, go ahead and get that and use the $2 digital coupon off of that. So you're getting a lot more detergent in this deal. Again, make sure your 5 off of 25 and your 5 off of 30 coupons are clipped to your digital account. Your subtotal for this transaction is going to be $34.45, but that is before coupons and everything. So when you go to the register, put your number in. All of these coupons should come off. $3.30 for Febreze, $2 for the Gain liquid detergent, $2 for the Gain flings, and another $2 for the big Gain liquid detergent. And after all of those coupons plus your 5 off 25, your 5 off 30, your out-of-pocket cost is going to be just $15.15 plus tax, or $3.03 each. Also, just wanted to remind everybody too that these deals that I put out are beginner friendly. They are usually all digital. I'm very rarely using paper coupons anymore these days. Sometimes some of the other savings apps, but honestly, it's mostly just the Dollar General app that I use in store to scan products and see which coupons apply. So these are all beginner friendly deals, very easy to follow along with. But if you are a beginner and you don't know where to start, I recommend checking out our beginner playlist because, that's created specifically for you. And always, if you have questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I try to get back to every question that's asked. Okay, for our next deal, we're going to pick up 2 of the Aussie products. This is the shampoo and conditioner for $3 each, and we have a $3 off of 2 coupon on those if you didn't use that last week. We also have the Dove Women's Body Wash that we're going to pick up for $7.25, and we're also going to pick up a Dove Small Deodorant for $2.95. And hear me out, because these products are stacking in savings and it's going to save you a lot. I did test this deal out this week and I will share that in a little bit. Also pick up 1 package of the Cascade for $4.75. This is the 13 count, and we have a $1 digital coupon on that. Next, pick up 1 of the Airwick air freshener plugins. These are $2, and we have a $1.50 off digital coupon on those. Also pick up a package of the Scott toilet paper. You're looking for the $3 pack, not the $5 pack. And we have a $1 off digital coupon on that. Last but not least, pick up 2 of the Clorox dish liquid. I originally was going to pick up 2 of the Clorox hand soaps because on my phone it shows that these apply to this coupon, but when I got in store, the ones that I found in the dollar aisle were not scanning for the coupon. So just pick up 2 of the Clorox dish soap instead. They are $1 a piece, and so that's $2, and we have a $1 off digital on those. So any 2 Clorox products essentially. And your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $27.95. And let me explain what I mentioned about the instant savings. So we currently have a $2 off when you spend 8 instant savings on Dove products. So have to spend 8, and if you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that you always have to account for that $2 and add it back onto the end, because instant savings comes off first at the register. So if you want to use your 5 off of 25 coupon, you have to make sure you're spending at least $27 in this transaction, which we are, $27.95. So we have the $2 off of 8 on Dove, and then we also have a $2 off of 7 spent on Dove, and that is a store digital coupon. You can stack store coupons and manufacturer's coupons on the same item. And I did test this deal out, as I said. We also have that $2.50 digital coupon that is applying to the Dove body wash. So by buying the body wash and the small deodorant, we're getting a lot of savings there. So the other coupons that you'll need are the $3 on Aussie, the $1 on Cascade, the $1 on Clorox, the $1.50 on Airwick, and the $1 on Scott. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped, and your out-of-pocket cost is going to come to just $10.95 plus tax, or $1.21 each. And this is all really practical stuff, you guys. Okay, last but not least, we're going to do one more deal. We're going to pick up one of the Purex liquid detergents we're going to pick up one of the Purex liquid detergents that are 128 ounces for $9, and we have a $2 digital coupon on that. We're also going to pick up one of the Almighty packs for $6. You want to make sure you're spending at least $15 because we're going to do some more instant savings here. And you do have $1 off on the Mighty packs as well. We're also going to pick up 4 of the Crayola products. So I just did easy math at $1 a piece, but you could always adjust this deal and get cheaper products, the 50-cent crayons or whatever. So we'll just do it at $4 being spent there. And we have $1 off of those 4. Also pick up 2 of the Clorox dish soap again for $2. And you could pick up 2 gadgets, that's what they're called in the weekly ad, that are $3.50 a piece, so $7. I just chose 2 of these like wooden spoon and spatulas from the Good Cook Kitchen Gadgets line. I really wanted to get one of these nice meatloaf pans because I actually need a new one, but yeah, they are not included. The pans and stuff are not part of it. So, but the gadgets are buy one, get one free this week, so that's $3.50 off of your order. And just make sure you have that 5 off of 25 clipped. Your subtotal is going to come to $28, which we have to do because of the instant savings we're going to get. But we have that $2 off digital on the Purex, $1 off of the Mighty packs. We have $1 off the Crayola. We have $1 off Clorox, and the gadgets are buy one, get one free. We are also going to get $3 off of $15 spent in instant savings off of Purex and all products. So after all of that, your out-of-pocket cost is going to come to $11.50 plus tax, or $1.15 each, which is just a really, really good deal. Thanks for checking out this video, you guys. Make sure to follow me over on TikTok at saving_made-easy. I'm posting other deals there. I've kind of let Instagram go for the time being. It just doesn't seem to be my thing, my social media. But I'm posting a lot of stuff on TikTok, some Aldi finds. And yesterday I posted a CVS deal where I paid nothing at the register at a $0 total for paper towels and toilet paper and stuff. So that was really awesome. So I hope to see you guys over there on TikTok. Otherwise, have a great week, get a lot of savings, and I'll catch you in the next one.